Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Sutton, Ontario, a picturesque town on the shores of Lake Simcoe. This community has been settled since the early 1800s and has grown from a small farming village into a vibrant lakeside town. Sutton got its name from a town in England chosen by early settlers who wanted to bring a piece of home to Canada. Over the years, the town developed with local businesses, marinas, and a charming downtown area. The waterfront and surrounding countryside make it a favorite spot for outdoor activities from boating to hiking. Whether you're here to explore the lake, enjoy local culture, or take in the natural scenery, Sutton offers a welcoming and peaceful experience. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Sutton, Ontario. Thanks for watching!